Artoonza.
Wow, nail polish on a strawberry. All right, future artists. Ever seen a strawberry get a magical makeover? Well, today's the day. We're going full-on glitter mode, adding some juicy sparkle, and even, wait for it, nail polish. Please don't tell my mom. We've got markers, glitter, a tiny naughty vacuum to clean up the mess, and some wild color drops that will make this fruit look fresher than ever. Ready for some sweet, messy fun? Let's dive in before this strawberry starts thinking it's a fashion model. Give us your like. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait.
Wow!
Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Red. Let's color together. Green nail polish. Shh, never tell my mom. Give us a big thumbs up. Color.
Aw, so cute.
Nail polish on a strawberry. Yep, this fruit is living its best life. Color. Yummy strawberry. Yummy strawberry. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Oh no, my strawberry is officially a diva now. Somebody get it a red carpet. If anyone asks, no, I definitely did not use nail polish for this. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.